What's up guys, this is Edgar, Super Edgar 10 here at Metro Toyota, and this video is so you can see what Blizzard Pearl with Almond interior looks like. Alright, this is a 2019 Toyota Highlander exterior blanco perla con interior almond, así como amarillo. So this is the color combination, color shades. So in case you're looking for one of this is exactly what it looks like. The most important thing that most people want to see are the doors. So there we go, black and almond with dark brown here. Así que lo más importante de todos que quieren ver son los asientos de color. Ahí sí están. Pum pum. Aquí el dashboard es negro, black with almond in the bottom. So if you like this color combination, make sure you put it on the comment. This is also captain's chair, so remember you can choose on a Highlander, you can choose captain's or bench, and they're both the same price. Puedes escoger de las sillas así como están, separadas o juntas al mismo precio en el Toyota Highlander. Vamos a ver. This is what the back looks like. I'm trying to show you every single area so you can see every single color, every single wear. Para que veas todo lo que necesitas saber. Así que if you guys want to see something else, make sure to put it in the comment. So there you guys have it. 2019 Toyota Highlander Blizzard Pearl. This one, the MSRP is $42,853. Bam, ready to go to your house. Alright, check out my other videos so I can show you more color combinations. This is Edgar, Super Edgar 10 here at Metro Toyota.